Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency the Governor of Tamil Nadu, our chief guest for the inaugural ceremony of International Rubber Conference RubberCon 2015. May I request our chief guest, Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency the Governor of Tamil Nadu, to kindly light the traditional Kuthuvilakku, and may I request the dignitaries to flank him and do the honors of bringing light and knowledge to the three-day conference. May I request all of you to kindly remain standing for the Tamil Thai Varthu. With us on the dais, we have the chief guest of the day, Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency the Governor of Tamil Nadu. May I now request our guest of honor, Mr. Vipul Shah, to kindly join us on stage. Also on the dais, we have with us Dr. R. Mukhopadhyay, Mr. V.K. Mishra, Mr. P.K. Mohammed, Mr. K.J. Janakar, and Dr. R.K. Manthan. To present the welcome address, may I invite Mr. V.K. Mishra, who is currently the Vice Chairman of IRI. He is the Technical Director of JK Tyre and Industries Limited. He is the past Chairman of Indian Tyre Technical Advisory Committee and Convener of Tyre Safety Standard Committee. Please put your hands together for Mr. Mishra.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Guest of honor, Mr. Vipul Shah, CEO of Reliance Petrochemicals Business, Reliance Industries. Dr. Mukhopadhyay, Chairman IRI. Mr. P.K. Mohammed, Chief Convener, RubberCon 2015. Mr. K.J. Janakar, Convener, RubberCon 2015. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, all IRI members, academicians, distinguished delegates, students, media personnel, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Organizing Committee of RubberCon 2015 and Indian Rubber Institute, I extend a very hearty welcome to all of you to this event at Chennai, the automobile and ancillaries hub of India. As you all know, RubberCon 2015 was rescheduled due to the unexpected natural calamity that this resilient city endured but bounced back from with spirit and resolve. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the speakers, chairman of the technical sessions, delegates, and all those associated with RubberCon 2015 for their cooperation and enthusiastic participation on these rescheduled dates. It is a matter of great pride for me to be associated with RubberCon 2015 organized by the Indian Rubber Institute. The next 3 days will provide wonderful opportunities for the participants from the rubber and allied industries in this subcontinent to benefit from the experience and expertise of national and international scientists, engineers, and technologists. It is indeed an honor that Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency, could spare his highly valuable time and grace the occasion as the chief guest. We deeply appreciate and thank you, sir. The core team of this conference has been working towards this event since June 2014, contacting important suppliers, manufacturers, and users, including academicians, scientists, and technologists associated with the rubber and allied industry. Although it was a Herculean task and a challenging one, we were fortunate to receive a very favorable response from every quarter, and that is how RubberCon 2015, with the theme Shaping the Future Through Innovative Technology, has come into being. The theme is truly an apt one, particularly for an emerging and developing economy like India, is the technology through R&D that will shape the future. We heartily thank and welcome our supporters, platinum sponsors, diamond, gold, and silver sponsors, and all supporters for their overwhelming support. On behalf of the Indian Rubber Institute, I once again welcome you all to RubberCon 2015. We wholeheartedly expect that your stay will be highly enjoyable, pleasant, and educative. We hope this International Rubber Conference, RubberCon 2015, will be a memorable event for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mishra, for extending a very warm welcome to all those gathered here today. May I now request Mr. Zakaria George, past chairman, IRI, to kindly present a bouquet and welcome our chief guest of the day, Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu.